Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about atomic mass. In today's class, we discuss about a very important topic, that is the how do atom exist. Okay, so write the heading: how do atoms exist? So, in the last video, we also discussed about this topic. There we learned that atoms exist in two different forms. Atoms can exist in two different forms. These two different forms are: number one, atom exist in the form of atoms exist in the form of molecule. Okay. Number two, atoms exist in the form of ions. In today's class, we'll discuss in details about molecule. So, in the last video, we also discussed about, here I am just repeating this topic. There is atoms exist in the form of molecule. So, what is molecule? First, let us discuss. So, in the last class, we discussed that the atoms cannot exist independently. Atoms cannot exist independently because they do not have the 8 electrons in the last shell, or they do not have the filled valence shell. The valence shell means the last shell of an atom. As they do not have the filled valence shell, that's why the atoms cannot exist independently. So what the atom will do? Atom will combine with another atom to form molecule. Okay, so atoms will combine with another atom. They will form a bond. Okay, they form a bond. How they will combine? They will combine chemically. They will form a chemical bond. Right? So the combination of या फिर you can write a molecule is the combination of two or more atoms, okay, combined chemical combined through chemical bond, combined through chemical bond. Okay, the force which bind two atoms within a molecule, that is the chemical bond. So in a chemical bond, the atoms are connected to each other. How they will connected? They get connected by forming chemical bond. So chemical bond is the force which attached these two or more atoms within a molecule, or which hold two or more atoms within a molecule. Clear? So here it is, molecule. Now let us discuss about the types of molecule. Now I think it is clear that how the atoms combine. Atoms combine by forming chemical bonds. They combine chemically, right? Let us discuss about types of molecules. Okay, types of molecules. Types of molecules. We can classify the molecules in two different categories. These are molecule of element and another is molecule of compound. Okay, one is molecule of element and another is molecule of compound. What does it mean, the molecule of element? When two or more same kinds of atoms combine. Okay, here it is written, atoms combine chemically to form molecule, then the molecule is called molecule of element. Now I think it is clear that when two or more same kinds of atoms, means the same atoms will combine chemically. When two or more same atoms combine chemically to form the molecule, then that molecule is called the molecule of element. Let me discuss about it. If we take this example, I am writing here. You can write just at the bottom of this definition. Okay. Example. Just suppose we are taking example of O2, H2, okay, N2, this one. So where in case of O2, what you can observe, we observe that O2 it contains two oxygen atoms, right? O2 it contains two oxygen atoms, and both of the oxygen atoms are same. Okay. There is H2, it contains two hydrogen atoms, both of the hydrogen atoms are same. So we have the same kinds of atoms combined to form the molecule. That's why this molecule is called molecule of element. तो जब एक मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर जितने एटम्स होंगे, अगर सभी एटम्स सेम एटम है, तब उस मॉलिक्यूल का हम लोग मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ एलिमेंट बोलेंगे. ओके, नाउ इट इज क्लियर. फाइन. लेट इट प्रोसीड फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ कंपाउंड. तो द मॉलिक्यूल, इसका डेफिनेशन हम लोग दूसरे तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं. द मॉलिक्यूल विच कंटेन different kinds of atoms, okay, different kinds of atoms which are connected to each other by chemical bond. When two atoms, two or more atoms, you can say, when two or more atoms, but when two or more different kinds of atoms, they combine chemically to form the molecule, then the molecule is called the molecule of compound. So the molecular compound is that molecule which contain different kinds of atoms which are connected to each other by chemical bond. Means different atoms combine chemically to form the molecule, then that molecule will be called as molecule of compound. Okay, let me take the example, that is H2O, CO2, NH3. These are the molecular compounds. Okay, why they are considered as the molecular compound? Because it contains hydrogen, oxygen. These are different atoms, you know. Here carbon dioxide, there's a molecule, but it contains different atoms. Achha. Remember that molecule is as a whole neutral, electrically neutral. Means molecule के पास कोई चार्ज नहीं होता है. ओके, मॉलिक्यूल के ऊपर कोई चार्ज नहीं लिखा होगा, प्लस माइनस कुछ नहीं लिखा होगा. मॉलिक्यूल इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल जस्ट लाइक एटम. एटम के पास भी कोई चार्ज नहीं होता है. ओके, तो एटम इज न्यूट्रल, एज लाइक दैट द मॉलिक्यूल इज ऑल्सो न्यूट्रल. ओके, तो मॉलिक्यूल इज एग्जैक्टली इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. Okay, molecule is electrically neutral. So basically compound, whatever the molecule is, that is the molecule of element or molecular compound, it will be electrically neutral. It do not have any charge. Okay, like H2O minus ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. Okay, H2O minus नहीं, ठीक समझ रहे. Okay, so we learned that molecule of element and molecule of compound. Suppose the question is like that which one of the following is the molecule of element and which one of the following is the molecule of compound. So easily you can solve these types of questions. Right? If the molecule contains same kinds of atoms, then it will be molecule of element. If it contains different kinds of atoms, then it will be molecule of compound. Let me proceed for the next topic. We discuss about a very important topic here, that is atomicity. Atomicity. What is atomicity? Right? the total number of atoms, the total number of atoms present within a molecule is called atomicity of that molecule. Okay, so let us discuss the total number of atoms. The total number of atoms present within a molecule, that is called the atomicity of that molecule. Let us take an example. Okay, here H2, it contains two hydrogen atoms. That's the molecule of element. It contains two hydrogen atoms. So its atomicity is 2 because it contains total two atoms. Right? Here we are writing molecule. That is hydrogen. Suppose O2, its atomicity is also 2 because it contains two oxygen atoms. Suppose it is given H2O, water. How many atoms are there? There are 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So 2 plus 1, that is 3 is the molecularity of water. Now is it clear? What is the molecularity of molecule? Now molecularity. Sorry, it's not molecularity. Molecularity is a different thing. Atomicity. We are learning atomicity. Atomicity. If the atomicity of a molecule is 1, if the atomicity of the molecule is 1, name, and here we are writing examples. Atomicity of molecule is 1, then it is called monoatomic. Monoatomic. Its special name it is, okay, it is called monoatomic. Mono means 1. Okay, as for example, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, these are monoatomic. Okay, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are the noble gases. They can exist independently. They have the filled valence shell. That's why they can exist independently. That's why their molecularity is 1. It itself atom, it is molecule also. ये atom भी है, molecule भी है, क्योंकि ये molecule मतलब combine नहीं करते किसी और के साथ. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है कि हीलियम, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टन, जेनॉन, रेडॉन, ये सब क्या है? ये सब क्या है? मॉलिक्यूल और एटम है ना. तो इनका एटमिसिटी होता है 1. इनका एटमिसिटी होता है 1 एंड दे आर कॉल्ड मोनोएटॉमिक. राइट. नेक्स्ट, if the atomicity of the molecule is 2, then it is called diatomic. Diatomic, क्या बोलेंगे इसको? Diatomic. समझ में आया? Diatomic. If we take the example of H2, O2, N2, okay, these are the molecule of element. Fine. These are the molecule of elements. Suppose the question is that give example of a diatomic molecule, but it is a compound. Molecular compound. Then you can give the example of NaCl, KCl. Okay. So these are the molecule of compound. Molecule of compounds. But these are diatomic. Clear? There are so many examples. Just I am giving you just 2 examples. NaCl, KCl. These are the molecule of compound. समझ में है? Give example of a diatomic molecule of compound. What will be the answer? NaCl, KCl. Give example of a diatomic molecule of element. तो अब क्या समझोगे? अब diatomic बोल दिया मतलब 2 एटम होंगे. Molecule of element बोल दिया मतलब दोनों एटम सेम होंगे. तो H2, O2. Clear? These are the examples. Next, let me proceed for the next one. If it is 3, atomicity 3, that is called triatomic. Okay, di means 2. Okay, di means 2. Mono means 1. Tri means three. Triatomic means it contains three atoms. Molecule of element अगर लेंगे तो O3. It is molecule of element. Okay. Molecule of compound इसमें बहुत सारे हैं, like H2O, CO2. देखो 2 plus 1 3 atoms are there. Triatomic. 1 carbon 2 oxygen, 3 atoms are there. That is triatomic. These are the molecule of compound. Molecule of compound. Clear? Okay. Let me proceed for the next. Okay. 4. Atomicity 4. Atomicity 4. They are called tetraatomic. 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 Tetra means 4. Okay. Tetra means 4. Okay. Tetra means 4. Example P4. Molecule of element. Okay. Molecule of element. Okay. NH3. That is molecule of compound. Learn up to this. तो इतना तक आप लोग देखें, मॉलिक्यूल एटॉमिसिटी और टेट्रा एटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल तक पढ़े. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग और कुछ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एटॉमिसिटी के बारे में पढ़ाई करेंगे. लर्न अप टू दिस एंड विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.